This is the worst thing ever. Basically, after I had Stitch and Angel, I added King Cyclops as a new character. Not on my team, but Princess Rapunzel, Prince Bart, and Prince Ness. So I just done that sort of mission. Princess Rapunzel turned into a giant gorilla. Yeah. And during the night, while I was inside an inn, the Dark Lord Waluigi came to the inn. Yep. He took away my powers, so I'm not a chef anymore. And he took away Liam, Angel, and Stitch. They've been kidnapped. So look, I can choose any job, but I can't choose the chef job. Also, they've added more. A cat, an imp, and a scientist. So let's have a look here. That's a cat. I like that. Got an imp. Yeah. And then we got a scientist. And I think I'm going to go for, of course, the cat. Maria became a cat. So I don't know who we're going to add now that the other's been kidnapped. Very well. Now go for Maria the cat. Ho ho ho. So Maria the cat is now going to... Meanwhile... Oh! Guys! Liam, hey buddy, how's it going? Angel and Stitch. Where on earth are we? Last night I remember the Dark Lord attacking us. The fiend must have dropped us down here. Hang on, where's Maria? Her Minion. There's no sign of her. Maria can take care of herself. She'll come and find us. I just know she will. And that was really sad because I was really bonding with Stitch. Mine and Stitch relationship got up to level 10. Who could trust Maria to come through? Well, at least you guys are still in one piece. Maria the cat. Oh, hello, right. She was a HP banana, which is not going to help, really. Got 11 bits of food I can feed myself. Yeah, the gorilla protein that I got from... What was it? I just said random. Top notch. Had some gorilla protein. Didn't like it. What would that conveys by attack? Goblin hand can. Oh, full up already. Whoops. Right, let's set off then. With Maria the cat. This is really exciting actually, starting a new character. But I don't know who we're going to add after this actually. So yeah, this is where my friends were stolen. And is that Mario? I added Mario the Great Sage. I don't know if I recorded that or not actually. But I added Mario the Great Sage. Yeah, I think I do remember adding him in the video a bit. If you don't, ask Mario. Let's go! I must get stronger. I'm a bit nervous. I haven't dropped any treasure. There's something on the ground. It's a HP banana. But we got one HP banana. We're sent to the inn. Okay. That's too bit. This is sort of lonely. Oh, poor Maria. Ooh, what is that? A scaredy scorpion. Come on, Maria the cat. Yes. Keep paws. Yippee! I'm a level 1 as a cat. I got 15 gold for killing a scary swamp. Peace and quiet. She's tired. Ugh. Dizzy from the heat. Oh, is that? I think I'll have a quick sit down. The cactus! Ah! No! Maria, how dare you? Oh, Maria sat on needles. Nice. Come, Maria. Utopia fight. What are you? It's a cacti stack. Go cat. Yes. That's my cat. That's that. Yep. Level 2 is a cat. What's this? Learn sharpen claw. Sharpen your claws to get good damage on the next attack. That is true. Bonus XP is going to me, of course. I'm the only one here. Cactus juice. Ugh. What did I come here for again? Save me, Topia. Gotta open it. And got 3 game tickets. Nice. Found an inn. So Maria made it to an inn all by herself. Oh! Someone's at the door. Ho ho ho. She's just travelling alone. You call a new team member to come and join you! New land. Right. Who's and me you want to travel with? We're going to go to Me Maker because I don't know who to make. Let's see who we have here. I want Marciline. Yes. Pick a name. Marciline. So she's a bit airheaded. No. She's a bit cool. I say she's a bit cool. Pick a job for Marciline. I think she'll go good as an imp. And Marciline, a cool imp. Yes, it suits her. Oh, there she is. She's at the door. Imp Marciline. Hello. I'm Marciline and I'm an imp. I'm not sure how well I can do, but I'll try my hardest. Marciline joins my team. She is pretty small compared to me. Marciline is very experienced. Keep an eye on them. Well, I've called 2 more team members for you. They should be here soon. Travel with your new team. Ho ho ho. And save my captured friends. I feel really bad for abandoning the angel. Pick a room for Marciline to stay. I think I'm going to go to the middle room with her. To Marciline, you're going to come into the middle room with me. So Marceline's probably hungry, so we're going to feed them both. See if Marciline likes cactus juice. Not tasty, apparently. She likes chocolate rocks. Not tasty, apparently. Marciline, what does she like? So I'm okay with goblin ham. I'm going to try chocolate rock. There you go. And that should do nicely. Right. I can get a new outfit, which is cool. A spotted cat suit. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. What colour can I have? Oh, I need a blue. It's not a light blue, but hey, it's okay. And I think we're ready to set off because Marciline cannot have a HP banana. No way. So I think we're going to add Marciline. Got it. She's ready. We're traveling. Ah, here's Mario, which is cool. Where did it go? Okay. Oh, I can't find it anywhere. It has to be around here. Mario? Oh, it's you. How do I look? Well. Good. You not see a lamp around here, have you? Nope. I see. Okay, eyes up, please. Careful now. Poor Oh, Mario, he's lost something. Right, let's carry on our journey with Marciline. New clothes? Cool. Why, thank you. Compliment went down well. I'm bonding with Marciline. Whoever our next character is, I think we've got to put him as a sign test, actually. I'm going to go downwards, please. Click. Miss Maria. Oh! Hello, village postman. Mr. Mark's back. He's his old lively self. Thanks you. In fact, he's proving quite a handful from Pain. Must be hard work. Must be hard work looking after Mark. Oh, let's do our first fight with Marciline. Scared scorpion to cactus that. So I'm going to attack the scaredy scorpion. And the cactus is going to attack both of us. Alright. Marciline doesn't die, which is okay. Take a banana. First cool quirk, avoid. Too slow. Too slow. Too slow. No! There you go, Marciline. First cool perk, pressure point. That's the spot. Marciline's got lots of perk already. No HP bananas. Who knew a cat and an imp? You know what most people don't say? A cat is an imp's best friend. Most people say a dog's a man's best friend. A cat is an imp's best friend. Marciline just went to level 2. The naughty pitchfork. Ooh, nice. I think Marciline's gonna get it. Help her out. And some more cactus juice, which Marciline doesn't like. Cooker's Flash. Open it. Ooh. Yes. Could do with a nice meal, could you? Good. What is that? Lady Moo. This could be a close spell. Especially for Marciline. New skill, sharpen claws. Scratch. Ow! Tackle. New skill, naughty pitchfork. Ooh. Whoa. In your face. Scratch. Ah, okay. Cool. Just go backwards and forwards. Team of VL wins. Gonna go for a few more rounds. Marciline went to level 3. What's this? Bomb jab. Gently prod a friend and get them to attack an enemy in your place. That's going to Marciline because she can really use it. Woohoo! And an end. Me and Marciline are the best. Okay, 30 different foods. Ooh. Me and Marciline are bonding pretty nicely. Oh! Just in time. I was just about to end the video. Like someone wants to join your team. Who we taking? Someone who could do as a scientist. I kind of want a scientist. So let's see who we got. We got Maria. A Minion would go good as a scientist. Let's choose a Minion. Hello. His name's Minion. I say he's an air. He's pretty airheaded. Minions are pretty airheaded, aren't they? So we're gonna pick a job from Minion, and he is going to look good as a scientist. Look at that. I'm Minion, an airheaded scientist. That fits perfectly for a Minion, actually. Oh, there he is. Minion, scientist Minion. Is this the right place? I am Minion. And your name is? I'm Maria. Great, I can't wait to start adventuring with you. Minion joined your team. Nice. Look at Minion dancing. Pick a room for Minion to stay. Minion's gonna stay in the one next door. So go see if anyone wants to buy anything. Oh, Minion wants a new potion bottle. Alright. A test tube. Alright. Let's see what's so wrong with that. Minion bought a test tube. Nice. I like that. How much damage does it get? We get some good better damage. Nice, Minion. And me and Marciline just won. Right, so that's a good place to end the video. Goodbye.